Hello children, this is new learning composite mathematics class 8 5 algebraical expression. Algebraical expressions is a very important chapter and this is the main basics you are studying here. Very important how to solve the equation and the variables are there. Many things you'll learn from this chapter children. Here main things I written in a simple form, simple way, algebraical expression. In previous class you studied about the constant, variable or algebraical expression. Let's recall that. Constant means a number. Algebraical expression means number and a letter or alphabet. Number and a letter or alphabet. A fixed numerical value, a fixed value or specific number or a symbol means just a number. The natural number, whole number, decimals, negative numbers are constant. Constant both numbers. You just remember that constant means numbers. So constant means we can say it is a number, fixed number. Okay. 5, 0.8, 12, minus 1 by 2. Pi also we can write because pi value is 22 by 7. So understood children? Constant means number. The next is variables. Variables means letter of alphabet, English alphabet. Variables means we can write letters. Letters, English alphabet or letters. Variable. Variables are generally expressed by letters. Variables means letters of English alphabet. Variables means letters of English alphabet. Example X, Y, Z, A, B. Any letter we can. A से Z के अंदर कोई भी letter use करते हैं. Variable means letter, means alphabet. Literal or numerical. Numerical or literal we say. Or letters. In other words, a variable is an alphabet which is used to represent unknown numbers. So I given a very simple language. In other words, a variable is an alphabet which is used to represent unknown numbers. So constant means numbers. Variable means letter X, Y, Z. Constant means number 5, 6, 10, any numbers. Any recurring or fixed numbers. Next is algebraical expression. Algebraical expression means letter and numbers. Means English alphabet number with any common symbol. A combination of constant means number, and variables. A combination of constant means number, variable means alphabet X, Y, Z, P, Q, कोई भी लिख सकते. Along with algebraical operation. Along with algebraical operation में in middle plus रहना है, minus, division और into symbol. In between कोई symbol रहना चाहिए. Example for algebraic expression. 3 is a constant, X is a variable. Right? Okay. Y is a variable. 5y is algebraical expression. 3x plus 7 is algebraical expression. 4 by 7 a cube b square etc. All these are algebraical expression because letter भी है, number भी है. Because letter भी दिया हुआ है, numbers, including number and letters with any plus minus symbols is an algebraical expression. Next is terms. Various part of an algebraical expression connected by plus or minus sign are called terms of expression. Means first term, second term, a term particular number. For example, the algebraical expression 4x square minus 3y plus 7z. So here this is called the first term. After that one symbol is divided. No, one symbol minus symbol hai. So this symbol separated the first term 3y. So after that plus one symbol given, any plus or minus, any symbol that separated the second term, second letter, and it is in a third. So 4x square is the first term, 3y is the second, minus 3y is the second term, and 7z is a third term. Various part of an algebraical expression connected by symbol. So यहाँ पे first part, second part, third part, 3 numbers. It is divided with or connected with the symbol minus. So it is the first term. यहाँ पे symbol है. So symbol is written. That's why it is make into second part. So this is second part. one symbol is written, because of that symbol this become the third part. Otherwise 3yz means it become the together. A symbol रहने से a part is divided. Three terms, so namely power x square first term, minus 3y is the second term, and 7z is a third term. And next important point is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms, the terms having same variable or letters. या like term के लिए letters important है और variable letters और English alphabet है ना, वो उसे पकड़ो. This is important. Letter important. Rise to the same power. Exponent also we have to check. Let variable and exponent. Example 2a. 2a numbers ignore करो. Only concentrate on the letter. Like term के लिए means 2a, 3a, 5a. So here which is there? A is given, no? Everywhere a. So letters are same. So like term. Second example 3x square, 8x square, 9x square. Don't look at the numbers, only variable means letters. x square, x square, x square. अभी यहाँ पे x square, यहाँ पे x cube, यहाँ पे x means it is unlike. Power और exponent power भी same रहना चाहिए. So power here 2, here also 2, here also 2. So it is a like term. Don't look at the numbers, only variables. 2a, 3a, 5a, a is same. So it is a like term. The term having different variable or different exponent are called unlike term. The term having different variable and different exponent are called unlike term. Example 2x, 3a, 5y. Letter यहाँ पे x है, here a, y. Different letters or variables. Here x square, x cube. Power different, square है, here power 1, 3. So different letters and different exponent are unlike term. Same letters, a, same power, x to the power rise to 2, x rise to 2, x rise to 2. Then like term. Like term means same letters and same power. It is a only like terms we can add or subtract. Like term same variable रहने पे हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं इन पॉलिनोमियल्स. नेक्स्ट इज कोएफिशिएंट. A coefficient is the numerical factor of a term containing constant and variable. If numerical coefficient means what is a numerical coefficient of 2? Means 2 का coefficient is x square. अभी we have to find the coefficient means the number with 2 closer to which is remaining x square. So we should not write 2 when coefficient of 2 is asking. 2 का coefficient लिखने के लिए without 2 we have to write. Means who is the friend of 2? X square. Which friend is standing with 2? X square. So 2 is a friend, a coefficient x square. This is a numerical coefficient. Any one of the factor term is coefficient of the other factor. Example 4xy. 4 is the coefficient of xy. Coefficient of 4 is the coefficient of xy. Then x is the coefficient of 4y. 4 is the coefficient of xy का friend कौन है? 4 है. x का friend कौन है? 4 और y. y का friend कौन है? 4 and x. Same way. What is the coefficient of 4? So xy we have to. Which friend is standing with 4? Coefficient means the best friend who is standing x and y. And coefficient of x 4y, coefficient of y 4x. Okay, without that particular y x का coefficient पूछ रहा है तो x को नहीं, we should not mention. If we are asking about the coefficient of y means we should not mention y there. Then polynomial. Polynomial are algebraical expression that consist of variable and coefficient. Coefficient means letters or literal, then numerical value. दो भी रहता है, friend और best friend. But containing non-negative integer powers. Power exponent कभी भी negative नहीं रहना चाहिए. And has a finite number of terms. Not infinite numbers. Finite number is very important. And the negative negative numbers is okay, but negative exponent means power. X to the power minus 5. Negative power is not a polynomial and consists of variable and coefficient is a polynomial. So here this is very important, polynomial and which is not a polynomial. Polynomial, for example, 5 plus 2x is given, it is a binomial polynomial. Where same number 5 plus 2x to the power minus 2, negative exponent, negative power. So when negative power is given, it is not a polynomial. Square root 2x. So inside the square root we can write number x bahar, square root ke bahar. This is a polynomial. But inside the square root x variables nahi likhna chahiye. We should not write variable inside the square root. This is not a polynomial. 3x by 5 is a polynomial. Whether 3 by 5x is not a polynomial, because reason here power become minus 1. X to the power become, when denominator is a variable means कब डिनोमिनेटर पे वेरिएबल रहता है उसका पावर नेगेटिव हो सकता है. सो पावर बिकम -1. सो वी कैन राइट न्यूमरेटर एज ए वेरिएबल 3x by 5. 4 by y we should not write. It is not a polynomial because y is in denominator. When variable comes in denominator or letters comes in denominator, then it becomes the negative power. 3x to the power 4 is a polynomial. But 3x to the power minus 4 is not a polynomial. Reason minus. Power minus nahi रहना चाहिए. At the same time we can write this as a -3. It's also okay. Polynomial. But this is not a polynomial. Where we can't write -3. Minus integers is okay but not power. Okay. Next is coefficient classification of polynomial. There is 3 type of polynomial. The classification is based on the number of terms or addends. For example, monomial means mono, 1. Binomial means 2. Remember the bicycle. Bicycle means how many wheels? 2 wheels. Trinomial means 3. Tricycle. Example for tricycle is auto. Tricycle means 3. Tri means 3. Triangle. So tri means 3 angle. Triangle. Okay. Monomial means one term. Is a polynomial of one term. Example 3x square 4a minus 6a square. These are one term. No, after that no symbols. उसके बाद plus or minus again next numbers नहीं है. So only one number. 3x square is a one number. 4a is a one number. 6a is a minus 6a square is a one number. So this is polynomial, one term. Binomial is a polynomial of two terms. Polynomial of 2, for example 7y. उसके बाद एक symbol आया. Symbol divided into one part, first part, second part. This is first part, second part. 7y plus 8 is a binomial. A plus b is a binomial because here symbol. This is first term. A symbol आया इसलिए b is a second term. Two term. 5 plus 6. This is example for binomial. Next is trinomial. Trinomial means polynomial of 3 terms. 5y is a first term, plus आ गया, then 2x is a second term, minus symbol is given, so then third part is, this is first part, symbol आया, so second part, symbol आ गई, third part, so 5y first part plus 2x second part, 2x is a second part, symbol is given, z is a third part, so first part, second part, third, first term, second term, third term. First term, second term, third term. So 3 terms means trinomial.